Hello friends, welcome to Levels Planning System 2D and 3D Design Hub. Today in this video, we are going to see the 2D and 3D design of 37 feet by 45 feet house. This is the floor plan of the house. Now let's see the detailed ground floor planning. This is the living area. Living area dimension is 20 by 14 feet. From living we get axis of dining, which is of 13 feet 6 by 15 feet 6 inches. From there we get guest bedroom, which is of 14 by 14 feet, which is having a attach of 10 feet by 5 feet 3 inches. This is master bedroom. Dimension is 14 feet by 16 inches and attached bathroom. This is a common bathroom and the kitchen area, 9 feet by 9 feet 6 inches by 12 feet 3 inches, and the utility and the back door and the puja of 5 feet 3 by 5 feet. This is the detailed view of ground floor. Let's see first floor. This is first floor plan. So this is the family area, which is 13 feet 6 inches by 15 feet 6 inches. This is the one more guest bedroom of 14 by 14, and there is a attached bathroom, and this is a kids bedroom, which is 14 by 16 feet, and even we are having one attached 6 feet 6 inches by 6 feet. It's a terrace area, and there is a balcony. Let's see elevation, 2D elevation of the house. This is the 2D elevation of the house, and let's see the 3D of the house.